Camera's a little low. Trying to get everything in focus here, so doesn't matter, I guess. Let's get it open. Let's see what we got here today. Let's see. We'll start with this one. This one's weird. This one doesn't have any tape on it. Or maybe from here? I guess. What do we got here today? So, we have bubble wrap. Ooh, this is nice bubble wrap. It's hard. Nice. Okay. Probably reuse this for shipping purposes. We have here the Cloudlifter CO1 mic activator. So as you can see there, get it to focus. Got one of these. We got a pod mic. Getting ready for them podcast or live streams, if that's happening soon. Maybe not. Let's, what do we got here? Boxes. This is a good sized box. We have a receipt. Weird. Actual receipt. Nice bubble wrap. Deflated ones here. We'll reuse this to ship my wife's cookies. And we have a box within another brown box. And it doesn't want to open for me. There you go. Woohoo. We have the Scarlette 2i2 by Focusrite. As you can see here. Cool. One more thing here. Let's check it out. Nice airbags. This one's dead. We got a dead airbag here, guys. Dead airbag. Another receipt. Just for you guys. And we have the ronin-SC. So we can have better camera angles, or better camera angles. So this is what we got in today, guys. We got the pod mic from Rode. We got the ronin-SC from DJI. The Scarlette 2i2 from Focusrite, and the Cloudlifter for the good old pod mic. Alrighty, so pretty much we're getting set up for this, hopefully podcast or video cast, whatever you guys want to call it, soon. Just trying to figure out something to talk about. I mean, everybody has something they want to talk about. It's just getting out there and actually hitting play and record. Not play, to hit record and just get your voice out there. So thank you guys for watching another episode of What's In. Got some good stuff here going on. Be aware of the unboxings. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, bell notification button so you know another video is coming. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Peace.